Shenzhen, Aurora Technology Limited, focus on energy exchange industry. Our company has been honored as first class in the world for LED lights and headlight bulb. We have great research and development, production, marketing, and customer services. In addition, we have experienced engineers in R&D center to work new products. Along with advanced equipment and standard management, we set up General Manager Office, Sales, Finance Department, Human Resources Center, R&D Department, Production Department. Aurora follows the policy, customers and product quality first. Our main products are LED headlight bulb, LED light bar, work light, round light, marine light, rock lights, and LED scene light. Meanwhile, we can provide OEM service and ODM solution. All our products are in line of military standard, approved with various certificates like IP69K, SAE, EMARC, CE. Aurora is developing new LED light products and expanding business to new field. Withstanding quality and great service, Aurora work with global top 10 companies in this area. And our LED lights is popular in Australia, Canada, United States, Europe, South Africa, United Arab Emirates, Russia, many other countries and regions. Besides, our customers contribute to a consistent pursuit of best products. Aurora warmly welcome customers to cooperate with us for long-term success.